Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make some kale greens in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Yes, kale greens. Okay, so let me show you the package. I got this, says chopped kale greens, and it's triple wash. Okay, so we're going to be working with that in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Okay, so let me just turn your attention over to there. Okay, so this is the kale greens, and let me tell you how much that package weighed. It weighs 12 ounces. Okay. All right, so let's put some seasonings on it, shall we? So we're going to put some salt, sea salt, black pepper, organic, I'm going to put some cumin on it. I think I want more. It's coming out slow. Ah, that's better. And I'm going to put some turmeric on there. Turmeric. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna put, this is a 6-ounce glass of water. I already put one in. I'm gonna put the second in, but in the place of the water, I would like to add the vegetable broth. Okay, so I already have 1 6-ounce of bottled water in here. And so now, in place of the other water, I want to add this vegetable broth, bringing it to something to the table. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're going to put this in the pressure cooker, so let me turn the camera. I'm going to put the lid on. Alright, and let's set this time. I want to go for no more than, I'd say, 20 minutes. So let me reset that. 20 minutes. Okay. And that will start up the moment that the pressure builds up. Okay. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, okay, Thanksgiving is over, Christmas is over. Now all you have left is New Year's. So go ahead, celebrate New Year's. It's a new year coming in, 2020, and I'm sure that you have great hopes for 2020. So I'm going to be talking to you soon about the New Year's. So maybe you might want to get your thoughts together and send me some questions ahead of me coming on with a video and telling me what you plan to do for New Year's, or anything that you would like to ask me or for me to answer for New Year's. How about that, huh? Okay, so that's the word of the day. That's a homework assignment. Comment to me now on what you would like to do for New Year's, or even after New Year's. Okay, all right, whenever the video airs. Okay, that's the word of the day. Think about your plans for New Year's 2020. All right, So we'll be back in a few minutes when the kale greens get done, okay? Thanks. Okay guys, our kale greens are out the pressure cooker. Here we go. That's 20 minutes, okay? And let me get a thumbnail. Kale greens. Yes. All right. So let me put some on a plate and just give it a little taste for you, okay? So see, when you buy it in the bag, you don't have to do a lot of washing. You can just wash through it a couple of times and you're good. Let me just take a taste for you, okay? Very good. And remember, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can cook it on the stove, okay? Alright, that was a quickie. Thanks for hanging around. Thanks for subscribing. And we are almost at 10,000 subscribers. Give yourself a hand for that. Yay! And I look forward to many, many more. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.